Hello, this is Libby from Libby Stamps. Welcome to another one of my videos today. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Today what we're doing is wetting the inside of our image and then shaking the powder on, trying to hit the image. Didn't do a very good job on that one. This one is from Beautiful Day, which is a set of 5 stamps available in the current occasions catalogue. Beautiful stamps with a couple of sentiments. And I've copper embossed this one, and I quite like the effect of the copper embossing. So we're going to give it another go using perhaps different colours. So we'll come in and I'm just going to do the bottom wings for the moment, and we're just going to wet that area and give it a fairly good drenching of water. So I think you can see, I don't know if you can see that there, but it's fairly wet. You can also come in and add more water. I'm using one of our aqua painters that you get in a set of 2. About $21 I think they are. So we might come in and do some Prussian blue, and all I'm going to do is just tap that powder onto the bottom of the wings and then let that water take effect. And then you can come in and reactivate that at any time because it's a water-based colour. Now I'm going to come in with the aqua painter again, and I'm going to wet the top of the wings. Oh, that wasn't very clever, was it? Right. I'm just cleaning that up. On a paper towel. It does go everywhere, so you do have to be a bit careful with the crystals. So if you decide to open the lids, just be warned, they will fly everywhere. I might just come in and see if I can mop that bit of blue away. Clean out my brush. Alright, never mind, that wing will be a little different. Alright, we might come in with we'll try the red again and see. Oh no, we might try the gamboge, just for something a little bit different. Now I think my second wing's dried off a bit, so I'll just come in and re-wet that. And now I'm putting gamboge colour on it. It's sort of like an orange colour. Oh, I'm quite liking the effect of the blue background with the gamboge over the top. Alright, these little pots are available in a set of 5. From my online store. They'll last you for ages because you don't use much each time. Alright, now I can come in and drop some more water on that to reactivate those. Don't really want to use my brush. So I'll just drop a bit more water on to activate the colour. Quite liking this wing here. Not sure about this other one. Just get a trusty piece of paper towel and come in and mop up the excess. So when you're doing these techniques, have some paper towel on hand. Doesn't have to be expensive. Tissues would become a bit expensive, so that's why I'm suggesting paper towel, and you can fold it and roll it and do whatever. to mop up your excess. So that's it for Technique. And I've used Beautiful Day, and on this one I've used Brilliant Red and Prussian Blue. This one's Prussian Blue and Gamboge. Yes, so you can shop for these in my online store. Go to libbystamps.com, hit the shop button, and I'll be back next week with a different series of videos on the True Gentleman suite. So that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.
Hey, if you wanna play, make it a brighter place. It'll take creation, imagination. Try to draw outside